Hello everyone out there. Welcome to another edition of our teaching program. Actually, you can follow us on Facebook or like our page at Oral Drill Diction Program, and you can also watch more of our videos on our YouTube channel as Oral Drill Diction Program. And just in case you want to reach us through WhatsApp, there is a number on your screen, and if you want to also call us, there is a number on your screen. My name remains Samuel Michael. Welcome once again. Today, we want to discuss weak forms and strong forms. So let's see what weak forms and strong forms are, how we can use them, and how they affect our sentences. Let's go. Certain words in English have more than one pronunciation, depending on their function in a sentence. These words are either called grammatical, functional, or non-lexical words. Grammatical or functional words are articles as a, the, an. Prepositions like on, of, from. Conjunctions like but, and, as. Auxiliary verbs like should, could, have. And don't forget pronouns as his, your, her. Now don't forget that these words I just mentioned are grammatical words, and they do not contribute much to a sentence, but they only help the sentence to be grammatically correct. When grammatical words appear in a sentence, they are usually not stressed. And that's the reason when native speakers speak, they sound faster, because they do not stress these words, they rush over them. These words that are rushed over are called weak forms, and their pronunciation usually contain the schwa sound, vowel number 12, which is Do not forget also that the way at which you rush over these words also add rhythm to your speaking. For example, if I have a sentence like this: everybody thought Smith should have joined Samuel in his car. In that sentence, I did not stress should. I did not stress have. I did not stress in, and I did not stress his, because these words are grammatical words. But if you stress these words, your speaking won't sound natural. For example, everybody thought Smith should have joined Samuel in his car. How does it sound? Not natural, isn't it? Exactly. So, we are not saying that you can never use strong forms while speaking. No, you can. Remember, any words that are not grammatical words, you are to stress them. But those ones that are grammatical words, you are not to stress them. On the other hand, the strong form of a grammatical word may be used on 3 conditions. First, when the word is isolated in a sentence. Example, I included words like could, have, her, and had. In that sentence, despite being grammatical words, I stressed words like have, could, her, and had. And that's because they are isolated in the sentence. The second condition is when the grammatical word comes last in a sentence. For instance, that's true, but Euodia didn't believe she should. In this sentence, despite being a grammatical word, I stress should, and that's because it comes last in a sentence. And the third condition is when special emphasis is being laid on the grammatical word to show that its importance is the most in this sentence. Example, the educationist has wanted his notes on the table. The educationist has wanted his notes on the table. Where does the educationist want his notes? Not under the table, not beside the table, but on the table. And I stressed on in that word to show you that its meaning is the most important in that sentence. So that is how we can use the strong form of a grammatical word. So I believe you've learned a whole lot from today's lesson. Now I'm going to teach you how to pronounce some of these weak forms and strong forms. Like you see on the screen, we have some grammatical words with their weak forms. We have word, then weak form, and strong form. Now the first word we have there is was. The weak form for this word is was, and the strong form is was. The second word is the. The weak form is the, and the strong form is the. The third word is would. The weak form for this word is would, and the strong form is would. Take note, weak form would, and the strong form would. Then we have could. Could has its weak form this way, could, and the strong form could. The weak form could, and the strong form could. Then we have can. The weak form is can, and the strong form is can. We have an. The weak form is an, and the strong form is an. We have are. The weak form is and the strong form is are. We have but. The weak form is but, and the strong form is but. Then we have of. The weak form is of, and the strong form is of. The weak form of, the strong form of. Then lastly, we have from. The weak form is from, and the strong form is from. Weak form from, strong form from. Now let's see how you can pronounce it now on your own. Now repeat after me, please. Was, the, would, could, can, an, are, but, of, from. So that's how you pronounce the weak forms and strong forms. But remember, some of these words here have more than one way of saying their weak forms. So that's your assignment, to use your dictionary to check more weak forms for these words and when to use them. So that's how we come to the end of our program for today. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Oral Drill Diction Program, and invite more people to like our page on Facebook at Oral Drill Diction. And don't forget to also contact us on WhatsApp with the number on the screen, or you could also call us through the number on your screen. See you, and remember to stay safe.